This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Angela Easter. Wow! Location, lots of storage, turnkey furnished, hot tub, and low fees. No known damage from Ian. Roof was replaced in 2018. Only 5 homes down from the community pool. Updated kitchen, excluding dishwasher. Extra large master closet, separate shower, tub, and sit-down vanity area. Garage features a workbench, chest freezer, and full-size grill. Pantry and kitchen and a huge double-door pantry just off the kitchen. Walk-in laundry room with more storage and easy access to water heater. Most of the hurricane shutters are easy-to-use accordion type. Just moments off Daniels and other major roads such as I-75. Quick close possible. Please ask your agent for the exclusion list. The seller will remove a few personal items, clothing, and the car in the garage. For more information, review the details below or contact Angela Easter at 239-290-5435.